Hey, this is Lady C coming at you with another tip in Gmail. Now, let's just say, for instance, you're a busy person and you always forget to send emails for people's birthdays, anniversaries, or even something as simple as saying, welcome back from a trip, or have a great time on your vacation, okay? Well, did you know that Gmail allows you to schedule upcoming emails so that you don't have to forget? And so in the upcoming tutorial, that's exactly what I'm going to show you how to do. So come on over to the computer and let's get started. Okay, so all you have to do is go to your Gmail and choose to compose a new email. Address it to the recipient, add a subject line, compose your message. Now, instead of sending the email, go to the down arrow next to the send button and click on it. And then choose Schedule Send. Then choose Pick Date and Time. Navigate to the birthday. Modify the time. And choose Schedule Send. Your message has been composed. You've added the appropriate date and time. Now that you have scheduled the email, now let's navigate to the folder where your scheduled emails reside. Simply go over to the left sidebar and choose Scheduled. And you will see a list of all your upcoming emails that have a specific date and time for the delivery. And what the system will let me do is right-click on the email, and I can delete it, or I can click on it and cancel send. And now what the system will do is it will revert it back to the draft, and then it opens back up in a draft form so that you can make edits to that email and reschedule it out. I can go back down to the drop-down arrow, choose Schedule Send, and then I can use the last scheduled time, which is showing up on the screen. Click on that, and it goes back to the scheduled folder. Well, I hope you enjoyed these tips. And if you did, be sure to hit that like button.